Hey guys, welcome to my orchid, the orchid grave site right now. I am trying my best to work on getting these orchids to come alive. They are definitely different types. I love the orchids, but just don't really know how to care for them. So I'm going to be giving you guys some helpful tips and tricks as we go along to see if we can get this garden growing. So subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, let me know what you think. We're going to get this orchid garden growing. Care tip number 1, your orchid still needs to have orchid food. Okay, so don't forget that. Now what I do is once a week, I use this Miracle-Gro orchid food and I spray. I try my best not to spray the flowers, but the actual media, the actual leaves themselves, and give them some yummy food. So you just want to go ahead once a week. Again, try to give yourself a day that you pick that you are going to be doing your watering to make sure that they're nice and moist but not overwatered. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray the media. If you can get to the roots and you see some exposed roots, go for it. The roots really tell you how healthy these orchids are. Okay, so you start to look, and I'm seeing some very dry roots here. I do see some nice green plump ones. I might need to get some more of these kind of bark to help retain some of this moisture. I'm feeling down in here on the roots, and it's feeling really good. It's moist. Okay, so you want to make sure to try at least to water them once a week and be able to feel. So I have a tray at the very bottom of this, and I can feel that there's water in there. So just because today is water day, and it means, you know, I need to check first before watering, because you do not want the roots to rot here. But I went ahead and I gave the plant food. So usually I water it. Also, I have a spray bottle that I like to spray, and now spray to make sure that these guys, now mind you, all of these were all dead. I either rescued them or planted them as I got them like this. And you really want to make sure that the root ball, again, we're looking here, is kind of expanded and not just bunched up. This is very, very loose in here. This guy is actually doing really good. He is one of the first ones, and he is budding up like crazy. So we want to make sure to just keep an eye on them for droopage or any bugs activity. He's the next one I got there. These all looked very similar to these, and now we're getting some buds going up in here, so you can see that. All right, so step 1, make sure you have some plant food. 2, make sure you water. Don't over water. If you're going away on vacation, go ahead and use an ice cube. You can put in there, especially if you like a small little pot. With that, the ice cube will kind of slowly release, therefore giving it the water it needs and desire. Okay, so check your media. Always check and double check and look for the leaves. So once you do that, you pretty much see that you have your garden will start to grow. This guy, you want to do your test. You should be able to bend these 90 degrees without snapping. So guess what, with this one, that's dead. All right, but what it's attached to is this. Look how fresh green it is. So this is no good anymore. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off to give it room for us to get some new growth to grow, or new plants, orchids to grow in it. All right, so like and subscribe, and we'll see. I'll make another video and give you progress of how the orchid garden is going. All right, don't forget, hit the notification button, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.